So Brad, COVID-19 happens
Yeah.
and all of a sudden the rest of the world goes into shutdown. I'm assuming you guys had to go and lock the door. And, a lot of people just kind of went on a little home break and hung out at home. Did this kind of hold true for you guys?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting, Matt. Trudy was at home. She has a hair salon, so she wasn't cutting hair. And the kids were at home doing school. And so their new normal was different. My new normal was the same. It was get up and get ready and put your suit on and go to work. Our doors were locked for quite a while, but they're open now. And we're meeting with clients if they choose to, or we're doing Zoom or phone or whatever they want.
So your clients can come in and sit down with you guys now.
Yeah.
That's huge. That's really, really huge.
Yep. And whether they want to wear a mask or whatever they want, that's fine. We're sanitizing. We're trying to follow all that social distancing, which is important, and we're taking it seriously. We had to install, I never thought as a business owner I'd have to find dispensers to put on the wall in order to be able to put hand sanitizer and stuff in it. But
at all the entry points.
Yeah, we've got it now. So, but anyway, I tell my team, the stock market's been very volatile, both to the good and the bad. And I tell my team that this is when we get paid to do what we do. We have to have empathy. We have to talk to our clients, call them, and we've made a lot of phone calls and videos and emails and messages that we've put out just to help educate. And at the end of the day, that's our job, is to help educate these people. And so I'm very proud of the fact that, for every person that said, stop, put on the brakes, I can't handle this market anymore, there probably was 30 people that put into their portfolio. So had a lot of checks coming in and people depositing funds saying, I want to buy this market on sale. I did the same thing, but you just never know where that bottom is. Just like getting out is so tough. You don't know where the bottom is, so getting in, you just get in over time, right? If somebody hypothetically had $10,000 to put in, then put in $2,500 4 times, and if you miss it, you miss it. But at least you've got some powder kind of to add into your portfolio. So no, it's been suit and tie and Zoom meetings and coming to work every day, and I would say actually probably working harder than we did in January. Not that our team didn't. But there's just some added complexities, and people understandably nervous about not only about their lives and how socially we do this, but also about their portfolios. And the people that have been waiting have been rewarded because we've already started to see a rebound here. But yeah, that's kind of life as we know it. Now it's back. This last Monday, the stay-at-home order went into effect, or it's not there anymore, And so the doors are unlocked, and we've just trying to do the best we can to help people. So
I think the most interesting thing is that you're back to sitting down with people face to face and toe to toe.
Yeah,
kind of looking at their life or their situation financially and being that objective.
Yeah, it feels really good, Matt. So last Friday, I happened to go into an establishment to pick up food. Yeah, and I like we all are doing right now, just trying to support like everybody else.
Wearing a mask, of course.
Yeah. So I go in, and the owner's there, and I reintroduced myself to him because I hadn't known, maybe a year ago. And he said, "Hey, how you doing, Brad?" And he stuck out his hand, and I shook his hand, and because it's just a natural reaction, right? Yep. And it felt so weird. I mean, I hug a lot of my clients, I shake everybody's hands, and now just in 9 weeks of this social distancing thing, your brain all of a sudden kind of turns, and it's like, man, that's odd. So what I do, I put my hand in my pocket, get outside, you get the hand sanitizer, and you start, I just look back and kind of laugh at the situation. Like, why am I scared to shake somebody's hand? But we've just been told. It's weird. I don't know if you've had anything like that.
Does.
Yeah,
totally what the media does.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, and it's awesome that you're meeting with people again. And I guess if people have a question, they can reach out to you and come sit down, right?
You bet. Absolutely.
Cool. We'll
Thanks,
talk to you next time.
Thank you.